Hello, I will be showing today how to change the DVI theme footer section. The problem is that when you switch to another language, which is Arabic, or you can have any other language, all the contents are translated, but the footer remains the same, these two sections. So first I will be showing how to change this one. For doing that, go to your WPML and go to string translation, search for footer, and this is the text we want to change. Just add the translation and you're done. Okay, translation is done. So if I refresh the page, you can see that it is in Arabic, right? You can see that it's the text is in Arabic now, so it's working. And in English it will be in English. Yeah, it's coming in English, so everything is good. Now I will show you how to translate this section. Actually, these are widgets, so go to appearance widgets. This is a little tricky part here. Actually, it's not a straightforward way, but the solution works. So here you might be putting any content. For me it's a links, so it's in HTML actually. So what I will be doing is I will copy paste it here. Just for color I'm putting this. Okay, add a div here and put a class called only Arabic, and same put a class here. Close the div and put another here and say only English. This classes is not yet defined, but we will be defining it. Uh, Actually, what we are putting, we are showing both the content English and Arabic at once, and with CSS we are showing and hiding so that only one content, the relevant contents, is shown. So in only Arabic you should put the Arabic one. Just bear with me for 1 minute. Sorry, I just okay. So we are done. If in only Arabic put only Arabic, in only English put only English, and we will be just showing one of the section with CSS. So put it here. Okay, actually this part site translation, which is this part, okay, site navigation, this doesn't support HTML, so what we will do, we'll remove this and put it here. Okay, and we will put with the same styling. So go to here and copy, inspect, and copy this entire row, copy outer HTML and put it here. Okay, and same way put it here also, and we just translate this in Arabic. Okay, so done. Now refresh the page. I refreshed it. Now since everything is in English, it is in English. Okay, and if you go to Arabic, it's in everything is in Arabic. Okay, there is one more part you need to do. You need to put the CSS. So for that, go to appearance and go to customize and add your custom CSS here. I will be sharing the CSS with you. It's a simple CSS, this one. Okay, so the purpose of this CSS to show only the content which is relevant. Okay, if you are using any other language like Spanish or anything, just change this part. not this part, sorry, this part. Okay, if you just want to know from where I am getting this one, you can inspect and you can just see here it is languages AR. Okay, so we are telling that if language is AR, then whatever is with this class just hide this like this. And if you switch the language to English, this language AR will be language ENUS. Okay, so by this you can catch the CSS. Okay, thank you.